Obviously, the 2011 final, when he finished it off under extreme pressure because, you heard Dinesh Karthik saying that to win at home isn't easy. And to win in India is even more difficult, with a country of 1.4 billion, 1.5 now. The expectations, are that big. And then for him to go out chasing 274 with the game on the line, probably Sri Lanka favourites at that stage, and then to bat the way he did, soaking the pressure and then finishing it off. I mean, remarkable innings. But, that was, you saw a lot of him as a player, Bish. The way he soaked pressure, the calmness, his temperament. I really got to know him better when I was the coach of India. Where you sat in the same dressing room and, you started, thinking in your mind what you've all talked about him. Is he something different when you actually see him from close quarters? Well, nothing changed. I've never seen anyone with a temperament of that sort. Nothing affects him. He gets out for 0, he's the same. He wins a World Cup, he's the same. He gets 100, the same. 200, the same. There is absolutely, no difference. And that's something I've not seen with any player, at least from India as well. That includes the great Sachin Tendulkar, who could get angry at times. This man, nothing could ruffle him.